Ready.
Thank you for being here with me today. My name is Andrew Quigley. I'm with Dell Boomi. I'm going to give you a quick detailed whiteboard presentation on Boomi, our solution, and the value propositions we bring our customers. So to start off with, who is Boomi? Well, we were founded in 2000. In 2008, we became the first cloud-based single-instance multi-tenant platform, and we were then acquired by Dell just 2 years later. We currently do about 4 billion integrations worldwide. Puts us about 40 times ahead of that of our competition. Currently have about 7,000 customers. And we are a consistent leader in the Gartner Magic Quadrant. Now with that said, why have Boomi and other iPaaS solutions become so popular in recent years? Well, there's a few reasons. The first being that technological initiatives such as cloud, mobile, API innovations, and Internet of Things have all skyrocketed in recent years. On top of this, customers now require velocity and speed. And with traditional solutions, they're not as fast nor agile. And the third reason being is that the high costs and heavy burdens of deployment, they can hold you back when you're dealing with a lot of traditional on-prem technologies. So this then leads to what? So what Boomi and other iPaaS solutions promise are 4 things: speed, agility, a low cost, and innovation. However, if all these other competitors are doing the same thing as Boomi, how do we distinctify ourselves? So this poses the question of how. Well, the key to this is the single instance multi-tenant architecture, and we'll touch more upon this later. But know that it's the backbone behind all of this. Without it, you can't deliver on the value propositions, and everything else just kind of falls flat. So with that said, when looking at the Gartner Magic Quadrant, more specifically the leader section, you'll notice that a lot of the vendors in there, they have a large customer base and experience, however they lack the right architecture. And vice versa, when looking in the challenger section in the quadrant, all the vendors in there, they have the right architecture, however they lack the large customer base and the product maturity. So only Boomi has the is a 100% cloud-based platform that allows us to maintain any sort of integration, handle any number of deployments, and maintain the infrastructure all at the same time. So with that said, the how part comes the question again. So since Boomi is 100% cloud-based, it enables its users to both develop and execute integrations, APIs, EDI, and master data management. As a cloud-based platform, users of Boomi only require 2 things. Those being an internet browser and internet connection in order to develop, deploy, and monitor jobs. So with that said, making integrations with Boomi is as simple as dragging the connector shape onto the Boomi canvas and implementing a username and password to target systems like Salesforce, SAP, or a database, for example. And all this talk about configuring versus code, it's one of the reasons why Boomi customers can deliver at 1/4 to 1/5 the speed of traditional solutions. And because, regarding integrations, the most expensive phase is during the building phase, right? So what this shows us is that a reduction in time equals a reduction in cost as well. So with that said, Boomi users. So with Boomi, you can connect it to, or yeah. So, you're good.